Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Dustin Carruthers, your local realtor and the real estate baker. Today I've got a brand new 2025 build for you. 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2,000 square feet, half an acre of land. Let's take a look. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted with clean lines, soaring vaulted ceilings, and an open concept layout that feels bright, spacious, and welcoming. The attention to detail in this home is incredible, from contemporary finishes to the natural light pouring in through every window. This main living space is truly the heart of the home. You've got a beautiful open living room that flows right into the kitchen and dining area. Perfect for entertaining or just spending time with the family. I love how the modern design still feels warm and livable. If you're someone who loves to cook or host, this kitchen is going to check every box. Sleek cabinetry, high-end appliances, and a large island that's perfect for casual dining or prepping your next meal. On one side of the home, you'll find this luxurious primary suite, giving you the private retreat feel. The bedroom is spacious, the bathroom is stunning with modern features and a walk-in shower, and the closet space, let's just say you'll have plenty of room. And for context, I'm 6'2". Split floor plan is ideal. The secondary bedrooms are tucked away on the opposite side of the home, giving everyone their own space and privacy. Whether you need a guest room, an office, or space for family, this setup is incredibly functional. Each bedroom comes with its own walk-in closet. And just off the kitchen, you step right out onto this large covered porch, perfect for morning coffee, relaxing in the evenings, or enjoying Florida living year-round. This home is the definition of modern Tallahassee living, stylish, functional, and designed for comfort. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac here in San Luis Ridge, you're close to everything, but still tucked away in a peaceful setting. So if you're ready to experience this ultra-modern new construction for yourself, schedule your private showing today. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Home Tour Tuesdays and a few sweet treats along the way. I'm the Real Estate Baker, and I'll see you on the next one.